are there people who get out here who make content that they're supposed to make? Hey man, you don't see me recording? Okay. Get out here and make content. Hey, how's it going? Look, I just wanted to say, okay, we need to talk. We need to have a conversation. I just want to say thank you for the bottom of my heart for my 100 views. I don't care. I know it's not like most people who do big numbers and everything, but I'm gonna tell you what. This is my second channel, right? My first channel was okay, but I felt drained because I was making content that I didn't want to make. And this is the first time I'm making content that I'm passionate about. Yes, trading is my passion. It has been for quite some time. If you saw my other video, I've been doing this for over 20 years. I ain't been great at it, which is why I made this channel, The Ambition of a Trader, so you can see how I keep pushing and trying to get through things. So I was sitting over here and overthinking it like, man, you know, the video I put up called The Call, it took a long time to make, but it was fun to make, right? It was genuine. And I had a couple of haters get over here talking about you need to make content that people want to see. Bruh, I'm not tap dancing with anybody. I'm not gonna get up here and am I doing good? I'm not doing that. I refuse to do that. Thank you for joining me for that ride. I know I'm not like your typical trading channel. I get that. I know I'm not your typical trader. Look, I don't have the look. I don't have the yeah, you know what I'm saying? I don't have the Lambos. I don't have the success. I don't have the big time penthouse. I just got your normal fit. I don't rock jewelry like that. I'm just a typical dude, man. And I hope that as we grow together. You guys can see me progress with my trading. Right now, I'm actually working on a few evaluations from Apex, trading futures and not Forex. So my next video is going to be talking about why I made the move from Forex to futures. Okay? And it's just going to be a straight talk kind of video, man. I'm not about to be out here trying to, and the next thing you need to do, and I'm not doing that. I don't care. I don't care. I'm not doing it. And I'm looking out my window next to another apartment building looking creepy as hell. Forgive me for that, but I'm not doing that. I'm gonna make content that you will wanna see. It's gonna be fun, and I hope you're there for the ride. I really do. So from 100 views, let's get to 1,000, and we're gonna go from there. Thank you again for riding with your boy. I'm Bruce Rain. This is Trader's Ambition.